Hey everyone, so I'm doing the last crush, which is the honey crush, and I'm gonna start by just putting yellow. This is from the I don't know, I don't think, was it the Silver Lake collection? I can't remember, but so I'm putting yellow. I'm going to start with this bright yellow on the lid. Notice last week that the cocoa didn't have a glitter. I thought it did, but I don't know. Last week I didn't like see it. And I think as a transition color, I'm going to use this really pale yellow right there. Take this brown as the crease color. Just blending it out with that transition color. I'm going to take this frosty beige color as the highlight color. And I'm going to also use that as the inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to put a regular black liner and mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm going to do the rest of my face on camera. One of the things I realized is I don't smell the honey. I did drink some Starbucks bottled pumpkin spice. So I am a little bit stuffed up from the milk. I don't know if that's one of the things that is getting in the way of me smelling it, but I couldn't smell anything. But if you put it like all the way up to your nose, I smell it a little bit in the eyeshadows, and I don't know if it's mind over matter, but it did make me a little sick. I don't smell anything on this. I'm gonna use the same thing I did last week, the cherry, but the warm side. Oh my goodness, the cherry and the cocoa are the strongest ones. Cocoa is the strongest, cherry is the second strongest, passion is kind of weak, and thank goodness I don't smell the honey. I just know this is not going to work. I know this is going to be too dark, but I'm trying the other side of the honey. I can get away with a light bronzer. This might come out like that, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, it's coming out like a light bronzer. I can get away with that, but only in the light. As soon as it gets off the light, you can see the brown streak. And it just doesn't look right on me. Put a little bit on my nose. I have to put my powder on now, so let's put this powder on. It helps to blend it all out. I still can see a little bit of brown, but I think for the most part, it just shimmers like in the light, like if you're outside. I think they're mostly gonna see the shimmer. I don't know. That's what I think. I finally cut the scraggly ends What I was saving them for didn't work. It didn't look right last week, so. And then for lips, I'm just going to use Milan. It's just a shimmery gloss. I think these were limited edition. I think they're so beautiful. I don't know why they discontinued. That's it for this look. So now I can start with Saved by the Bell. And just wanted to quickly tell you that the Fantasy Makers came out for the fall. But the lady who posted it, it was last week, she posted it on Instagram, and I asked her where did she find it, and she never answered me back. So I'm gonna assume that it's those like Fred Meyer's, the guys who are at Bed Bath and Beyond, Harmon's, maybe Rite Aid. I know there's about 3 places. I think the Christmas Tree, I think that's in the north or something. Like close, not by the coast, but closer to the northeast, but going closer to the middle, like Pennsylvania. I think I went to Pennsylvania and saw one, I think, or Virginia. It might have been there. I can't remember, but I think I saw one there many years ago. I'm going to assume it's there because last year, and I think the years before that, it hit a Walmart about the second week of September, because I visited my local Walmart. I visited the CVS that usually carries that stuff. My HEB usually gets it, but I remember my friend that works there told me that she's not allowed to put out until September 1st. So I haven't been to a Walgreens, but you know, so far the 3 stores that I've went to that would carry it didn't have it, except for Walgreens. So I'm gonna be in Alvin on Monday, so that Walgreens usually gets it the week before we do here in Pearland. So I'm probably gonna check the Walmart out there and the Walgreens on there, see if they get anything. But it does look like they have new stuff, because what the girl, and I'll put the picture up. She's really into cats from what I can see from her Instagram, and it's the cat stencil for the face and the face paint palette, and then there was like a silver glitter mascara, which came out this year in the summer collection. So the face paint palettes look like they're slightly different from the ones from the past 2 years. So, you know, that kind of got me excited. Excited enough that I had a little bit of a hard time sleeping, but anyway, so that came out. And then just quickly wanted to say that I had a coupon for Sally's, and it was free shipping. A lot of stuff you can't, like, their stores are pretty bare. You can't really find a lot of stuff in the Sally's store. So because I had a coupon and it was free shipping, I got the Manic Panic pastelizer. You know, it's like a white that you mix. Don't know how different it is from using conditioner, except that it says it's still dye. And I remember those jars being big, and I'm so glad I had a coupon for it and paid like half price for it, because it was like this small. So I'm thinking of trying again, but instead of like really saturating my hair, like maybe just put it on top, just on the top, and see how that works. And then that's it. I'm not dealing with trying the pastels, but I do want to do the brights. So maybe we got a new beauty supply store right next to the post office, so I might stop there and see if I remember they had the entire Kiss Temptation collection. So I'm going to see if she has it and how much she charges for it, and if not, I'll get it on Amazon. But getting pastels in my hair, I think the closest I'm going to get is using the brights. So So anyway, so that's it. Just be on the lookout. Fantasy Makers has arrived. You know, if you live like in the northwest part, you probably will find it because usually those stores get it first before the major stores get it. So just be on the lookout for that. So yeah, so next week I will start my Saved by the Bell. Anyway, okay, love you. See you next week. Mwah.